Does the sight of your inbox make your stomach clench? You know the feeling. You open your email, and it's a tidal wave of press requests, collaboration offers, and urgent deadlines. Each message screams for your immediate attention. It feels like you're running a marathon on a treadmill that just keeps speeding up, with no finish line in sight. This constant pressure isn't just stressful, it's a creative drain. Your brilliant ideas and big-picture vision get buried under an avalanche of administrative quicksand. You're spending all your energy just trying to stay afloat, not moving forward. This digital chaos has real-world consequences that hurt your business and your soul. A missed email from a journalist could be a lost feature story in a major publication. A slow response to a podcast host could mean they book someone else. Each overlooked opportunity is a tiny crack in your brand's foundation. You find yourself rewriting the same replies over and over, wasting precious hours that could be spent growing your company. The mental load of tracking everything, remembering every follow-up, and trying to maintain a consistent brand voice across hundreds of conversations is utterly exhausting and unsustainable. The worst part is the creeping doubt that starts to set in. You begin to question your own abilities. Am I cut out for this? Why can't I keep up when everyone else seems to have it all together? This feeling of inadequacy is a lie born from a broken system, not a personal failing. You are a passionate, talented business owner. The problem isn't you. It's the outdated, manual approach you've been forced to use to manage a modern communication challenge. Your inbox has become a battleground where you fight for your time, your sanity, and your brand's future every single day. Let's be real for a moment. This isn't just about emails, it's about the life you want to live and the impact you want to make. Every moment spent wrestling with your inbox is a moment stolen from your family, your health, or your next big breakthrough. The constant state of reaction prevents you from being proactive and strategic. You're stuck in the weeds, unable to see the beautiful forest you're trying to grow. It's a painful cycle of overwhelm leading to missed chances, which, in turn, leads to more stress. But what if I told you there's a way to break free? So you've tried to fix this mess, right? You set up a dozen email filters and folders, creating a complicated digital filing cabinet that now requires a map to navigate. The idea was to bring order, but instead, you just created more places for important messages to hide and be forgotten. Filters don't understand context or urgency, so that game-changing request from a top-tier media outlet might get sorted into a low-priority folder, never to be seen again. You've simply traded one form of chaos for another, more organized-looking, but equally ineffective one. It's like tidying up by shoving everything into a closet. Then you thought, maybe I need more help, so you hired a virtual assistant. While a VA can be a fantastic asset, they can't be you. They don't have your unique voice, your deep understanding of the brand, or your strategic vision. You end up spending hours training them, writing detailed instructions, and reviewing their every move, which ironically creates more work for you. Or worse, their generic replies lack the personal touch that builds real relationships, making your brand sound cold and corporate. It's a temporary patch that doesn't fix the core issue, the lack of a smart, streamlined system. Of course, there are the generic templates you downloaded from some marketing guru. You tried using them, but they felt stiff and impersonal. You spent so much time rewriting each one to sound like an actual human that it defeated the whole purpose of having a template in the first place. And let's not forget the expensive workshops that promised to teach you Inbox Zero, but delivered a few fleeting tips that were impossible to maintain. These solutions fail because they are one-size-fits-all answers to a deeply personal problem. They don't adapt to your specific needs or empower you to take control. The fundamental flaw in all these fixes is that they only address the symptoms, not the root cause. They are temporary measures that don't equip you with a sustainable long-term strategy. They don't teach you how to think about your PR communications systemically. You need more than just a filter, an assistant, or a template. You need a revolutionary new workflow. A method that integrates your unique brand voice, automates the grunt work, and gives you a clear, repeatable process for handling every single message with grace and speed. Anything less is just a band-aid on a bullet wound. This is where everything changes. Forget the complicated, temporary fixes. It's time to embrace a system designed for clarity, confidence, and control. I want to introduce you to the Inbox Overwhelm Mastery System. This is not another set of rules or a rigid software you have to learn. It is a simple, intuitive, and powerful workflow that transforms how you manage your public relations from the ground up. The beauty of this system is its simplicity and its focus on empowering you, the business owner. It's designed to work with the basic tech you already use. No fancy or expensive subscriptions are required. The system is built on a 5-step process that is both logical and liberating. First, we triage. You'll learn to instantly identify and prioritize the truly urgent, high-value emails in under 5 minutes a day. No more wondering where to start. Next, we build your library of smart templates. These aren't generic fill-in-the-blank documents. They are frameworks that will infuse with your authentic brand voice. This is the third step, mastering your brand voice, ensuring every reply, even a quick no, thank you, builds your brand and strengthens relationships. This is what makes your communication unique and memorable. The fourth step is where the magic really happens, automation. We identify the repetitive, time-consuming tasks and set up simple automations to handle them for you. This isn't about robotic replies, it's about smartly handling routine work so you can focus on the high-touch human connections that matter most. Imagine follow-ups happening automatically and interview details being sent without you lifting a finger. Finally, step 5 is all about continuous improvement. You'll learn how to use simple metrics to see what's working, refine your process, and get better and faster over time. What makes this system so different is that it's holistic and human-centered. It combines the efficiency of a system with the authenticity of your personal brand. It's not about getting to inbox zero, it's about achieving inbox confidence. You'll know that every important message gets the right response at the right time. The setup is quick. We're talking hours, not weeks. And the return on investment is immediate. You'll reclaim countless hours and gain priceless peace of mind. This system puts you back in the driver's seat, turning your inbox from a source of dread into a powerful engine for growth. Picture this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and open your inbox without a hint of anxiety. In just a few minutes, you've identified the golden opportunities, sent out 3 personalized and powerful replies, and delegated the rest to your new automated workflow. You close your laptop feeling accomplished, in control, and ready to focus on the creative, strategic work you love. This isn't a fantasy. This is the reality that the Inbox Overwhelm Mastery System makes possible. It's about transforming your relationship with your work and reclaiming your most valuable asset, your time. The benefits go far beyond a tidy inbox. When you can respond to press inquiries with lightning speed and perfect messaging, you become the go-to expert in your field. Journalists and producers love working with people who are professional, responsive, and easy to deal with. This system positions you as exactly that, leading to more media coverage, more features, and more opportunities to share your message with the world. You'll stop missing out and start showing up consistently and confidently. This newfound efficiency and reliability will become a cornerstone of your brand's reputation. I know you might have doubts. Will this take a long time to set up? No, you can implement the core system in a single afternoon. Is it expensive? It pays for itself within the first week by saving you from hiring help or wasting hours of your own valuable time. Am I tech-savvy enough? Absolutely. The system is built on simple principles and works with the tools you already know how to use, like Gmail or Outlook. This isn't about learning complex software. It's about adopting a smarter way of thinking and working that is backed by proven communication strategies. The world needs your unique gifts, and you can't share them when you're buried under a mountain of email. It's time to stop letting your inbox dictate your days and start designing a business and a life you love. You have the power to turn chaos into confidence, reaction into action, and overwhelm into opportunity. This is your moment to step up and become the rapid, respected, and relaxed communicator you were always meant to be. The path to mastering your inbox is clear. The only question left is, are you ready to walk it?